Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I am really happy to be back with my DIYs and I'm so happy I'm doing this again. And for today I have a very fun DIY. It's not really building anything, but just upgrading by changing the colors. So I will show you what I mean. So I've got everything on my table here, and these are the vase things that I'm going to give a new color, and they were €1. I think this one was also €1. Hello? Yeah, also €1. And it's like a plasticky material, and I think they're really cool, but I really don't like the brown color. So I have this white and this petrol blue that I'm going to mix to make some kind of lighter blue color, and just going to see what I like. And then I also have this one. I don't know what this color is. This antique pink. Okay, so this makes me think a little bit of the bubblegum color, and I think it's going to be really cool on these. So one is going to be the blue, one is going to be the pinky. And then for the details with the moose and the trees, I have my gold paint, and I think I'm going to use a darker one. That's this one, because I like this one. Mostly I like this one better. Now, and before I'm going to start, I just want to show you something else, because I've got a very big plant. And I'm talking about this one, because in a year time, it's been growing a lot. It's like all the way over here, and I want it to go all the way over there. And if you stand in my DIY closet, this is how it looks. So here's like a line, there's a line, and over here it's still growing to go that way. It's now hanging here, but it's going that way. And I just wanted to share this with you because I am really happy with this and I really love the jungle vibes. So let's start with the DIY. So this is the end result, and I am really happy with this because they look so different and they shimmer like a lot in the light. So I think this turned out so good. So just a little paint. It was 3 layers of the colored paint and 1 layer of the gold paint, and it's done. So I really love this, so I really hope you liked it, and hopefully I will see you next time. Hi. Hi.